Welcome to Rater Trading, automated day trading software that scales with conviction, de-risks with precision, and turns volatility into profit. The situation in the Middle East continues to escalate with oil prices spiking to levels not seen in 4 years. Energy stocks are soaring and TURB is no exception. This stock, with a low float of 10 million shares and large daily relative volume, put in a nice pre-market move, up 40% going from low $4 to $5.50 as it began to hit our top daily gainer scanner. As price pulled back on the 5-minute chart, it found support over $5, so we turned long mode on and the algorithm took starter positions, waiting to see if price would break out or give up its pre-market gains. It honestly looked like price was stalling and we'd see some further downside. This is why it's important to not size up if the move doesn't prove itself. As the software waits patiently, price breaks above the prior 5-minute candle, so we add to the position. Then it quickly accelerates to our next scale-in level of 553, bringing us to a total position size of 3,500 shares. The algorithm is done adding at this point and looks to de-risk if we fall below our cost basis, or take maximum profit if we break 568. The level is met, we take almost a full stack and stop the algorithm. All completed by Rater Trading, automated day trading software that scales with conviction, de-risks with precision, and turns volatility into profit. Head to ratertrading.com to learn more.